I just arrived at Vancouver International Airport for the Victoria Day long weekend, and now let's see if we can get some takeoff videos from any jumbo jets that we can find. So stay tuned, don't give up, we're pushing the line. We're coming. Here it is, Korean Air, taking off. It's a late zoom in right there. It's heading to Seoul, which is also the host city of World Food Day. I believe it's the next month. So Iceland Air. Well, that's a small plane, but it's going to Reykjavik. But this plane is. Can anybody tell me what this is? I can't even read it. Hang on a sec. This is. I had no idea what this plane is, but that's an A330. I'll tell you. I'll give you that one. I can't even read from a. Oh wait. République Française. Is it going to France? Or is it going to Montreal or the province of Quebec? But that looks French to me, and on an A330. So. Jeez, look at that, huh?
Attention travelers and staff, there will be a brief Roman Catholic Mass at 4 p.m. in the chapel located on level 2 of the International Terminal. All are welcome.
Attention voyageurs et personnel, il y aura une brève messe catholique à 16h dans la chapelle située au niveau 2 de l'aérogare international. Tout le monde est bienvenu.
Hang on a sec. I wasn't paying attention because I was doing the editing, but here's Air New Zealand right here. The thing about the Dude Perfect's latest video, which is Bucket List Down Under, and one of the dudes went to New Zealand. Oh, there goes the A330. The République Française, French Republic. I assume it is in French. Man, I can't even get the plane. It's hard to get the plane zoomed in. It's all foggy and everything. So let's get some Air New Zealand Dreamliner taking off right there. Man, why is it so blurry? My goodness. Oh, there goes Air New Zealand. It's a Dreamliner takeoff right there. How picturesque is that? A beautiful day out there. So, it's pretty dope.
Your attention please, customer information is paging Lujiame. Please go to the nearest information counter or pick up a courtesy phone for a message. Customer information is paging Lujiame. Please go to the nearest information counter or pick up a courtesy phone for a message. Thank you.
With a forklift, please. All right, and finally, here comes the 777 British Airways heading for London Gatwick. So it's not going to Heathrow. That'll be a much more bigger plane. Well, it was the 747. I've been on it twice. by far the smoothest flight from here to London Heathrow. But this one, as I mentioned, is going to Gatwick. But you know, when I took that flight twice, it was 8 o'clock at night that we departed, and it was by far the smoothest flight ever in British Airways history. You know, pilots did a great job of landing safely. You know, no turbulence and everything. The flight attendants were phenomenal as well too, and even one of the flight attendants knew my name right away, so I respect that. So without me introducing myself to them, you know, so it's all about respect, you know. So, and now I can't wait to see how the 777 takes off. There she is. British Airways, London Gatwick for ya. Man, I did not see that coming. All right, Cathay Pacific for you. I believe it's another 777, but is exceeded range. Just like when we saw British Airways taking off, here is Cathay Pacific going to Hong Kong. So, but yes, I've been on the Cathay Pacific 777. You know, on my way to Hong Kong when I was on my way home. So, and then it came back as well too. So. Man, it's totally picturesque. Look at that beauty. There she is, Cathay Pacific getting off the runway, making her way to Hong Kong. I think it's a thing of beauty right there. Again, it's totally picturesque, especially on the beautiful day out there on Victoria Day. So, how magnificent is that? Let me know in the comments down below which airline takeoff video that you love in this video. So, but otherwise, you know what? Thank you guys so much for your viewership on this video and your subscriptions to my channel. I duly appreciate you guys. You know, so but you know, when you have a moment, you know, for all those who are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel and ring the bell for more videos that will be upcoming on Sunday mornings. So, But and as well, smash that like button to thumbs this video up. It'll mean so much. So, but other than that, I intend to film another takeoff videos during the long weekend of Victoria Day. But in case the takeoff goes in the other direction, going eastbound instead of westbound, I will instead film a cruise ship video from Canada Place. So that'll also be the following video after this one, after the takeoff videos from Vancouver International Airport. So with that being said, please stick around for more videos that'll be upcoming every Sunday mornings. And then please do me a favor as well too. Please let please spread the word to the others and to the loved ones that you love most to stay tuned. Don't give up. We're pushing the line. We're coming.